Welcome friends. Today we will learn gear metrology part, and in gear metrology part we are going to learn basic gear terminology. We know that when we want to learn the or understand the gear metrology, then the first step is we should understand what exactly is the gear terminology associated with the gears. So let us learn gear terminology first. So to start with, I have shown here a figure which shows the nomenclature of spur gears. See, I am showing the figure and the corresponding terminologies associated with the different features of the figure. So pitch circle, then addendum I have shown, face width, phase, then see dedendum circle, root or dedendum circle, circular pitch, total depth, working depth, clearance or working depth circle, pitch surface element, tooth thickness, tooth space, flank, top land. Now let us learn all these terminologies one by one. So pitch circle is an imaginary circle which by pure rolling action would give the same motion as the actual gear. So at pitch circle we are getting pure rolling action or pure rolling motion. There is no much friction. Okay. So next one is pitch circle diameter. It is the diameter of the pitch circle. The size of the gear is usually specified by the pitch circle diameter. It is also known as pitch diameter. So see the figure carefully. Wherever I have shown the terminologies, I have given the notations. Those notations denote these all terminologies. Addendum is the radial distance of a tooth from the pitch circle to the top of the tooth. Dedendum. Next is dedendum. It is the radial distance of a tooth from the pitch circle to the bottom of the tooth. Then addendum circle. Of course, it is the circle drawn through the top of the teeth and is concentric with the pitch circle. Let us see dedendum circle. It is the circle drawn through the bottom of the teeth and it is also called as root circle. Module of a gear. It is denoted generally by M. It is the ratio of pitch circle diameter in millimeters to the number of teeth. It is usually denoted by M. Mathematically, the module can be written as module M is equal to capital D by T. Let us see next terminology, that is circular pitch. So circular pitch, it is the distance measured on the circumference of the teeth or on the circumference of the pitch circle from a point of one tooth to the corresponding point on the next tooth. It is usually denoted by PC. Mathematically, circular pitch is written as or given as PC is equal to pi d divided by T, where capital D is equal to diameter of the pitch circle and T is equal to number of teeth on the wheel. Note, if D1 and D2 are the diameters of the two meshing gears having the teeth T1 and T2 respectively, then for them to mesh correctly, these formulas are to be used. Let us move further. Clearance. It is the radial distance from the top of the tooth to the bottom of the tooth in a meshing gear. So clearance is a terminology which is existing when the gears are in meshed condition, means assembled condition. Clearance circle. A circle passing through the top of the meshing gear is known as clearance circle. Total depth. It is the radial distance between the addendum and the dedendum circles of gear. So that distance, radial distance, is called as total depth of the gear. Face of the tooth. It is the surface of the gear tooth above the pitch surface. Flank of the tooth. It is the surface of the gear tooth below the pitch surface. Topland of a gear. It is the surface of the top of the tooth. So generally it is flat one. So topland is a flat surface of a gear tooth. Face width. It is the width of the gear tooth measured parallel to its axis. That is called as face width. So here are some references which you can refer for further reading. Thank you.